Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created these nails using dip powder that I got from Amazon. So if you want to see how I created these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the kit that I got from Amazon. It's by Modelones, and that's the kit I'm going to be using today. And it comes with all of these cool colors. I did end up using that nude. It comes with a brown. This is like a gray color, a lighter pink color. This is like a bluish gray, and of course a clear. It also comes with the dip powder base, the dip powder activator, and then the gel top coat. And you also get this really cute brush to brush off the excess powder. And you get these replacement tops as well, and also of course the instructions. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying the dip powder base to my nails. A nice thin layer, and then I'm going to go right in and dip into my dip powder. I am using my polygel brush, the spatula side, to make sure I get the powder all over the nail, and then I'm just tapping off the excess, and that's pretty much what I'm going to do for all of my nails. And you guys, this is my first time trying dip powder, and I found it really easy. Actually a lot easier than acrylic, but I still do prefer acrylic. But this was actually really easy to use. I will be sure to link this kit down below for you guys. It does come in a bunch of like different colors, so if you're not into the colors that came with this kit, I will link some other options down below for you guys as well. And now I'm just going in and brushing off some of that excess powder. This is only the first coat, so now I'm going in with the second coat. So I did actually end up doing 3 coats of powder to each of my nails. And I could have got away with 2, but I just went for 3. And I'm just completing, okay, not completing, I'm just repeating those same steps for all of my nails. And again, you guys, I am applying the dip powder base and then dipping right into the dip powder. This is really easy. Like honestly, even someone who's like not into acrylics, if they were to buy this kit, they could legit do their nails at home. That's how easy this is. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get my little sister one because she's always saying she wants to do her nails. This is something really nice and easy for her to start with. I do think for my next dip powder video, I am going to try this on Kiana's nails because she's like a gel polish girl. She's not into nail tips or long nails or anything. So I want to try these out on her and see how it works out. And of course, I will film that for you guys so you guys can know if this is something you guys want to purchase. You know, if you want to do your own nails at home, I will be sure to get that video up for you guys. So let me know down below if that's something you guys want to see. Okay, so this is after the 3 layers of dip powder. This color is so pretty. You guys know I love a nude nail. So now I'm going to go in with the dip powder activator and just seal all of that in so that I can get into filing and stuff. And they just look so good. I really wish I had like some matte top coat because I would have left them matte. That's how bomb these nails were. And you guys can see me like tipping the bottle. I don't know, like it just felt like this thing was like empty, and when I wouldn't tip the bottle, my brush would come out like dry. So yeah, just keep that in mind when you guys buy this. I don't know how much comes in this activator, but I'm telling you it wasn't much. So now I'm just going in and just filing over the nail using my safety, no, what is this? My 180 sanding band. I'm going to use that to file over the nails. These nails didn't take too much filing because honestly, you know, it was super easy. It's just dip powder. It wasn't acrylic, so they weren't super lumpy. So I just nicely went over those and they were super easy to file. Okay, so here's where things got a little tricky. So I'm trying to recreate something that Kiara Sky showed in one of her videos. I will link it down below. But basically, you just apply some base coat, okay? And then you cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, I'm just telling you guys everything she did. And then you dip into some clear dip powder. This is what you guys see me doing here. And then I just brushed off the excess. And then what she said was to dip directly into a different color. You guys can't really tell, but this is the pink, not the nude. So you dip in there and you just like keep dipping it, dunking it in like you guys see me doing here. And it's supposed to create like this ombre nail. I cut out a lot of the dipping, but I dipped my finger in here at least 300 times. So I just kept dipping it. And I noticed that only the tip was turning pink. I was trying to get like, you know how Kylie Jenner recently did her nails? I was trying to get that like nude with like a pink ombre. But as you guys can see on my other hand, it just wasn't working. So that's what happened here. It was a complete fail, but I will link the video down below that I'm trying to recreate. Now this is the top coat that came with the set. I used it on my other hand, didn't like it, so that's why I'm going in using my IBD top coat to finish off the nail. Ooh, I'm a little frustrated these nails didn't turn out the way I wanted them to because I just had this vision in my head. And honestly, guys, this is before Kylie did her nails. To be completely honest, it's just taking me forever to get this video up. But that's how I wanted my nails to look, and it didn't come out that way. I'm completely bummed. But anywho, possibly this could be because I need to probably try the Kiara Sky dip powder. Maybe it will work better with that. I will purchase some of her dip powder and then try to redo this to see if it works, because this didn't work with this. But you know, trial and error, we're all just learning here. So I showed you guys on one more nail how I did that. I think it was kind of pointless for me to show you guys all my nails because they didn't come out the way I wanted them to. But yeah, basically doing the same steps I did before. And you guys can see like I'm dipping the nails multiple times, and I think I'm getting them like low enough to where it should cover more of the nail. I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know down below if there's something I did wrong, or, you know, let me know. Okay guys, so these are the finished nails. Not what I was going for, but they still came out really cute. Still working on my shaping, but you know, trial and error. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.